Welcome to today's demonstration of the Siemens Xcelerator Admin Console. Today I'll show you how this powerful administrative interface enables efficient management of your digital transformation initiatives across the Siemens Xcelerator portfolio. Let's start with the main dashboard. Here you can see at a glance: System Health Indicators, User Activity Metrics, License Utilization, Recent Administrative Actions, Quick access to common tasks. One of the most powerful features of the admin console is the ability to see exactly which users have access to which products across your entire Siemens Xcelerator ecosystem. This gives you, the admin, a complete visibility and control over your digital landscape. Since we are interested in Solid Edge, let's have a look at how many users have been assigned to this product, this ECA. We need to assign a new user to this product. We start by clicking on the Assign User button. Here we can either key in an email address or browse through existing users within the ECA. Next step is to assign a role to this user. The user can either be a member or he can have special access as application owner. Once we decide the role, just click on the arrow to assign the role to the user and then click Next. In this window, the admin gets to choose which version does the new user get. If the organization is using an older version of Solid Edge, the admin can select the option of Overwrite Version Selection, and from the drop-down menu, choose the right version for the user. If everyone within the organization is using the same version, then we can select the pre-selected versions option, and then click on Assign User to Product. As we can see, the interface is designed for efficiency. Notice how the layout automatically adjusts based on your screen size, and you can customize the columns to show the information most relevant to your role. Once the admin has assigned the product to the user gets an email saying that they now have access to Solid Edge X. To start using Solid Edge, the user starts by installing the Siemens Software Center application. Here the user keys in their email ID, which has been assigned to the product, and they can now access Solid Edge. Another unique and useful feature within the Siemens Admin Console is the Audit Logging feature. The Audit Logging feature provides comprehensive tracking of all activities within your environment. This includes user actions, system changes, data access, and administrative operations. To generate a report, click on Create New Report. Start with entering a name for the report, description if required. Next is to choose the time frame you want to create the report for. In this example, we are choosing the time frame between 22nd January to 2nd April. We can choose the report type as Product Report. This gives the admin the access to the data for a specific product that they have on their ECA. In this case, we are looking for Designcenter Solid Edge X in the US region, and then finally click on Generate Report. Within a few seconds, the report gets generated, which can be downloaded. When you are trying to download the report, it gives you a warning saying that this report is password protected, and the password is your ECA ID. Once you enter the ECA ID, you can now have a look at a Microsoft Excel file, which has all the logs available to sort through. The Siemens Xcelerator Admin Console puts the power of comprehensive user and license management right at your fingertips. From streamlined user onboarding to robust security monitoring and compliance reporting, you now have everything you need to manage your digital ecosystem efficiently and securely.